How to use Canva AI image generator. So let's get started. So if you're also using Canva, here's how you can easily use AI image generator in Canva to generate AI images. So first just head over to create button over here to simply create a new design, or you can also use existing design. So I'll just select this existing design over here. So once you are in this page, you can basically click on this, scroll down on the your left section and click on this apps. And once you click on this apps section, just head over to the search bar and just search in for AI image generator just like this. So once you search in for that, you will be getting a list and tons of AI image generator applications like a plugins available under the Canva application itself. So you can choose basically any one of these. So here I'll be showing you slightly like Tally AI image generator, image Canva generator. So there are a lot of one. You can also actually search in for just like this, like saying image gen. And once you find the appropriate one, simply select this. So I'm just gonna select this one over here and simply open it, and it will give you the interface just like this. And here you need to describe your image, like what type of image you want. So let's say I want this type of image, a cow on a house eating grass peacefully. So I will simply click on generate. You can also choose the automatic ratio or style, like an animated one or a fictional one. So once you do all of that, as you can see, the image will be successfully generated, and you can simply drag and drop it under your design and resize it accordingly. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.